Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a wise decision, but a drawback is that most of these stocks distribute dividends every 3 months, which can be a prolonged wait, especially if you depend on this income for regular expenses. However, our video introduces a solution. We demonstrate how, with a carefully curated portfolio of 12 stocks, you can receive monthly payments. These stocks are strategically chosen to pay dividends 4 times a month, providing a consistent income stream. Additionally, we highlight how these stocks, coupled with dividends, contribute to the growth of your investment, even if you choose not to reinvest the dividends. To make this strategy effective, it's crucial to assemble a perfect portfolio of 12 stocks that pay quarterly dividends and have payment dates that don't overlap. These stocks should be both high-yield and relatively safe for investment. Despite sounding like a complex research task, Alex has simplified it by selecting 12 stocks that align perfectly for weekly cash flow. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Financial Bridge for more financial insights, and let's jump right in. Our journey begins with Armahoffler Properties Incorporated, symbolized by AH. This real estate investment trust may have a conservative tip policy, but its stability and balanced growth make it a perfect fit for those seeking steady returns. Moving on to the energy sector, we have DKL, or Delek Logistics Platforms. With a tip yield of 8.4%, this company's focus on the movement and storage of oil products and constant demand sets the stage for a smart addition to the portfolio. Shifting gears to the healthcare real estate domain, we encounter Physicians Realty Trust, known as DOC. Its slightly advanced yield and focus on stable and long-term growth in the healthcare sector make it a prudent choice for risk-averse investors. CTL Realty Growth Incorporated takes center stage next. With a dividend yield of 9.17%, its diverse portfolio of retail and office properties. The recovery of the retail sector post-epidemic adds an extra layer of potential to this strategic pick. Now, let's indulge in a puff of the tobacco industry with MO, Altria Group Incorporated. This industry leader not only offers a robust tip yield, but also reflects a long history of fiscal stability in the traditionally stable tobacco sector. Transitioning to the health and wellness sector, we encounter Medipa. Its focus on weight management and nutrition products, along with a tip yield that's nothing short of impressive, adds a refreshing touch to the portfolio. BZBDC Income ETF enters the scene with a unique twist, providing exposure to business development companies. This move taps into the often overlooked sector of small and medium businesses, offering both income and growth opportunities. Saratoga Investment Corp., represented by SAR, brings its expertise in providing customized financial solutions to middle-market businesses. This niche market offers both high returns and diversification benefits. Mort, or Van Eck Mortgage REIT Income ETF, steps into the picture, offering exposure to the mortgage finance sector. With a remarkable tip yield of 13.5%, Mort adds a layer of diversification to the portfolio's fiscal instruments. Arbor Realty Trust Incorporated, or AB, specializes in multifamily and commercial real estate loans. Its focus on high-yield short-duration loans aligns well with the portfolio's goal of achieving daily cash inflow. NHDC, or Natural Health Trends Corp., with a remarkable tip yield of 15.8%, NHDC takes the spotlight with its global direct selling and e-commerce platform. Riding the wave of the growing health trend, NHDC strikes a balance between high yield and exposure to the rapidly expanding e-commerce sector. Finally, we encounter Euronav NV, symbolized by E. As one of the largest independent tanker companies globally, specializing in the transportation and storage of crude oil, Euronav NV brings a substantial tip yield of 17.72% to the portfolio, supported by its robust fleet operations and global presence. But why this particular selection of stocks, you ask? The magic lies in their payment periods. Each of these stocks pays daily tips, ensuring a continuous flow of cash throughout the month. With a well-crafted timeline, we can see a non-stop cycle of harmonious cash inflows, complemented by the potential for capital appreciation. By investing $10,000 in each of the chosen stocks, totaling $120,000, an investor like Alex can achieve a continuous cycle of cash flows throughout the year. The timeline shows a monthly breakdown of dividends received from different stocks, resulting in a consistent income of $996 for January, for example. Additionally, the strategy incorporates a 5% average annual capital appreciation yield based on historical data. This means that not only does the investor receive regular dividends, but the overall investment value also grows over time. In essence, this isn't just about receiving tips. It's about crafting a strategic investment journey that pays off consistently, week after week. The allure of this approach lies in the combination of high yield, sector diversity, and strategic positioning for both income and growth. Welcome to the world of a perfectly orchestrated investment portfolio, where every week brings you a symphony of financial rewards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for joining us today on the Financial Bridge. Until next time, happy investing. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more financial tips and market insights. Thanks for watching.